So can you use an iCloud-blocked iPhone for capturing photos or videos? Well, the short answer is that if there is an activation lock, you cannot access almost anything, right? So you won't be able to unlock the screen, install the apps, or access the settings without the original Apple ID and the password. This is the point of the Apple ID and the iCloud activation lock, right? So obviously you need to get in touch, or you need to basically figure out the original Apple ID. If you forgot it or something, you'll need to go through the restoration process. But if you don't do this, you will not be able to use the camera app or anything else because the phone is locked from the start. This also applies to third-party recording apps. I mean, we cannot even get there because we can't access the lock screen, home screen, app store, or anything like that, right? So you won't be able to download any third-party apps or anything, right? So that's kind of how it works. If there is an iPhone which isn't necessarily iCloud activation locked, but if it's only locked by the passcode and you can't access it, well, you still might be able to access the camera by swiping on the screen. But even though you can capture the photos and videos, you won't be able to access them later, right? Once you return back and then check out the camera again, you lose access to the previously taken photos. So no matter how the phone is locked, if you forgot the Apple ID passcode or just the passcode to get inside the phone, well, the phone is basically unusable at that point. So that's how it works. I just quickly wanted to explain that because I've seen some people asking these kind of questions. So that's it from me. Let me know below in the comments if there are more thoughts or questions you might have. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future videos.